The city is a giant litter buddy album. It was 9 p.m., past my bedtime, but crime, it was a massacre. Salmon and liver flavor, the expensive stuff, the prime suspect, Buster, big, dumb, and full of motive.
Where were you at dinner time, fuzzball? Talk!
He was playing dumb. A tough nut to crack. But then I saw it. The real mastermind's making a run for it.
Stop right there, you mechanized menace! The suspect went underground into the dark belly of the beast.
The perp emerged, carrying contraband. It was a messy getaway.
I lost my dignity in there, but I wasn't gonna lose my suspect.
He was making a run for the border, the forbidden stairs. If he made it down there, he was out of my jurisdiction.
We were heading straight for Dead End Alley.
The suspect was apprehended, flipped like a cheap pancake. The joyride was over. I was shaken, stirred, covered in static cling foam. But a job's a job.
It was time to make him sing. Or beep. Whichever came first. All right, disc face. The jig is up. Where's the rest of the kibble?
He cracked under pressure, spilled his guts. Literally. Another case closed. The streets were safe until the humans brought out the laser pointer. The case was closed. It was time for a well-deserved stakeout on the cushions. But rest is a luxury in this town. The Crimson Phantom had returned.
The tall human. She was harboring the fugitive, taunting me.
The Phantom was fast. Faster than a greased mouse on roller skates.
Get back here, you glowing menace!
Collateral damage. It's the tragic cost of doing business. He took to the skies, out of my jurisdiction. But a good detective always finds a way. I grabbed the suspect, but the room started spinning. Or maybe it was me.
Mayday! Mayday! Oof.
The Phantom disappeared into thin air. A ghost. A myth.
Hush, money.
The city is a giant litter box. And tomorrow, I'll be here to scoop it.
Here we go again!